Installing both Python and R for a Travis build? I've been working on an R package which interfaces with Python via a simple server script and socket connections. I can test it on my own machine just fine, but I'd like to test it on a Travis build as well. I don't want to go through the effort of setting up a Linux VM. To do this, I would need a Python install that I can pass the path to in my R package tests, and a port number to use. I've seen this answer which suggests installing multiple Python builds is possible, but I'm not sure how to approach specifying the paths to the Python executables. Choosing a port number for the test. It should also be noted that the Python script I am using for the Python server uses localhost. Is it possible to do what I want on Travis? Should I want to do this with Travis? Edit. Here's my Travis config. And here is the example in my R package. My example definitely finds a Python path, but fails with the error. Warning: in socket connection port equals self-port, open equals R+, blocking equals true, localhost :6011 cannot be opened, error socket connection port equals self-port, open equals R+, blocking equals true, cannot open the connection. I tested this with another port and same error occurs. Edit 2. I've also tried it with host 127.0.0.1 and 0.0.0.0 but no dice. According to the Travis documentation, this should work. Perhaps an issue with the R container?
Here is a travis.ym I use for my Perl package. It just installs R using the Ubuntu package manager. Another way is to install R through conda. Here is an example from the pyranges package.
Your question title and question body are quite different. Regarding the Python plus a question. Similarly to the unfun cat's answer which uses Travis to install Python and installs R with apt, you can use Travis for R and install Python with apt. Note that Travis also has an apt add-on which makes your YAML a bit cleaner, but arguably less portable. The different Python versions installed should be accessible to sys, which is Python 2.7 and Python 3.6 instead of just Python, which Python will return either the last version installed or else the last installed Python 2. Regarding the networking question, there are a number of reasons you may be unable to establish a connection. A common reason is that the port is already in use. Port 6011 is sometimes used by the X Windows system, ref, so it is possible one of Travis's services is using it. Using this reference on how to check for used ports, you might try adding something like to your travis.yml so you can see in the log if the port is used. You might also try a different unused port number in your script. I did find this GitHub comment referencing similar issues with us specifically. Perhaps you can find more there.
Hello.